Hi, my name is Chandan Singh and I'm representing BASF. I'm responsible for the biopharma business for BASF for Pan India, and I feel ICT is doing a great job bringing in academic, corporations and other interested individuals together on this platform, because as you know, India is more of a generic company, and biologics is taking shape. So to build infrastructure, to build the ecosystem, we need this kind of networking, knowledge sharing platforms where people can come together, share knowledge, learn about technologies, learn about what's happening, what's going to happen in future and in this field. So I believe ICT is doing a great job regarding this, and we hope many more such conclaves and conferences to come forward with regards to biologics and biosimilars in India.